this video, we will see the rules for integer addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So for adding integer numbers, what is the rules to be followed? When the two numbers are positive numbers, we have to do addition. We have to add. Then what will the answer? The answer number will get the plus sign. For example, you see both the numbers are positive. So the answer is 17. There should be get a plus sign. So we need not show the plus sign. So it is simply 17. When the two numbers in addition, when the two numbers are negative numbers, here also we add, but the answer will get a negative sign. So here when you see it, you see the always in maths, we can't place two signs together. So that is the reason you can see a bracketed -2. So but the operation is addition. So two numbers which are negative, we are going to add and we give a negative sign. Then in addition, if one number is positive, one number is negative, then we do the subtraction and give the greater number sign. Greater number sign. So look here, one number is negative, one number is positive. We do subtraction 5 minus 4, 1 and give a greater number sign which is 5. So I give plus sign, or the answer would be simply 1. The same concept here, one number is positive, one number is negative. We do subtraction and give the greater number sign. So when you look at the example, one number is positive 7 plus its addition minus 11 is, we do the subtraction. The answer is 4. I give the greater number sign. That is the greater number is 11. So I give the negative sign. So when I say greater number, I only talk about the number. First decide the greater number, then check that greater number has which sign. So this is the rule for addition. Here also we do subtraction and give the greater number sign. So here in the example it is -2. It is negative sign is subtraction, it is -6. So the two negative sign will become positive and the sum becomes -2 plus 6. So here I do the subtraction and give the greater number sign. Greater number is 6. It has a positive sign. I put plus 4. Again, so when one number is negative, one number is positive, what we do? We do addition. When one number is negative and one number is positive, we do addition and give the greater number sign. When one number is negative, the other number is positive, we do addition and give a negative sign. The sign is negative. So here -2, minus of a positive number plus 8. So minus into plus is again minus. The sum becomes -2, -8. So I add the numbers and give a negative sign. Again the same concept here. When one number is positive, one number is negative. The negative sign becomes positive. So I add the number and I give a positive sign. The sign is positive. See here 3 minus of -8. The two negative signs, when they come together, they become positive. So it is 3 plus 8, that the number is 12 and has a positive sign. So do see my worksheet videos. I will upload a worksheet. Please solve it after following this rules for integers. So in multiplication, when the numbers are same, I get plus sign. When the sign is same, I get a plus sign. When the sign is same, I get a plus sign. If the sign is same, what is the rule? Sign is same, it is positive. When the sign is different, it is going to be negative. Here why it is negative? When the sign is different. One is plus, one is minus. So it's always a negative sign. In division, the same concept. When the sign is same, it is plus. When the sign is same, it get cut. So it is negative 5 over negative sign. It's get cut. It's 5 over 7. So it's become positive. 1 positive and 1 negative, different sign. The sign is negative. So this is the rules for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Do follow my worksheet video for solving according to this rule. Then let us solve examples of integers following the what we learned the basics. So now this is 8 minus 6. One number is positive, one number is negative. This is an addition. So if 1 plus and 1 minus, in addition we know it is going to be subtraction. So I subtract the number and give the greater number sign. So the greater number is 8 and sign is plus. Next question. 0, adding 0 to any number gives the same number. Then two numbers are negative. In addition, I do the addition. I add the two numbers. 9 plus 3 is 12 and I give a negative sign. When two numbers are negative, I add the numbers and give a negative sign. When one number is positive and one number is negative, I do the subtraction. I give the greater number sign. Here the greater number is 6. So I give the plus sign. So 8 plus 1, both the numbers positive. I add, it is plus sign. 6 plus 6, both the numbers positive. I add 12. It is going to be plus 2. We know that 0 added with any number gives the same number. So it is going to be negative 2. So here one number is positive, one number is negative. Then it is always going to be subtraction and I give you the greater number sign. Greater number is 9. So I give the minus sign. Now I pause the video a few minutes, solve the other questions, then cross check the answer. Yes. So now 6 plus 1 is 7. Both the numbers are positive. Then one number is positive. 4 plus minus 2. One number is positive. One number is negative. I do subtraction. I give the greater number sign. That is 4. The answer would be 2. Greater number is 4. So it is plus 2. Then 7 plus 2. Both the numbers are positive. I add the numbers and give a positive sign. Minus 9 plus 6. One positive number, one negative number. I do the subtraction, give the greater number sign. Greater number is 9 and the sign it has is minus. So negative 3. So minus 1 plus 6. Again one number is positive, one number is negative. I always subtract. So 6 minus 1 is 5. And I give the greater number sign. Greater number is 6. Its sign is positive. I give plus. 6 plus minus 4. Again one number is positive, one number is negative. I do the subtraction. 6 minus 4 is 2. I give the greater number sign. Greater number is 6 which has a positive sign. It is plus 2. 3 plus 5. Both the numbers are positive. So 3 plus 5 is 8. I add the numbers and it has a positive sign. Plus 8 or normal. Simply writing 8. So negative 5 and negative 4. When two numbers are negative, I add the numbers 5 plus 4, 9 and give a negative sign. Negative 2 plus 8. One number is negative, one number is positive. I subtract 8 minus 2 is 6 and give the greater number sign. The greater number is 8. I give the 8 sign which is positive. Now try to solve the remaining 3 questions. Giving a pause to the video. So it is minus 7 plus 3. Again one number positive, one number negative. I do the subtraction. 7 minus 3 which is 4. And the greater number sign, greater number is 7 which has a negative sign. It's negative 4. So 7 plus minus 1. Again one positive number and one negative number. I do the subtraction. 7 minus 1 which is 6. And I give the greater number 7 sign, that is plus 6. Then negative 5 plus 8. Again, one number is positive, one number is negative. I always do subtraction and I give the greater number sign. Greater number sign is 8. Greater number is 8 and the sign is plus. So I get to a positive sign. So hope this video is useful to you. Pause the video and do the exercise.